father, I know, well, he's passed. He's a full-blooded Kiowa on this side of the island during the invasion. He told me the story of him at that day when they were spoken by.
So what is the actual glide ratio of the U-2?
22-to-1 glide ratio.
22-to-1.
22-to-1. It's pretty good.
I didn't want to do the math.
ER2, but it's essentially a U-2. Now Nick's bringing it right on up here, bringing the speed on it, bringing the heat, if you will. Well, it's not supersonic or anything like that.
Now, what kind of speeds is this aircraft capable of?
We like to keep it down below 230 in a few days' notice. And we'll go over and operate for 30 to 90 days at a time, whatever's needed by the government. So demo's going to bring it down for another low approach. Good look at the main gear, the front wheels, if you will. About 2-foot diameter to give you some scale on that. And the guy in the chase car, or the gal in the chase car, will be calling the altitude for the landing, how far the main gear is off the ground. As the plane gets slower, the nose pitches on up, and then the tail wheel will hopefully touch down first. And then the fun begins. Like any tail wheel aircraft, the way I describe it is, when you're going to the grocery store, take a grocery cart, take it backwards, start pushing it around, and let go of it. What's going to happen? It's going to spin around. And the U-2 always wants to do that, like most tail dragger aircraft. So your feet are pretty busy. They're staying pretty active when you're doing the landing in the U-2. So I don't have to ask, how many of these aircraft have been built? Just over the show, right? Get those hands in the air and give them a big wave. You'll notice the rear view mirror sticking out the left side of the cockpit right there. As he tags in, I'm going to get off the microphone, hand it over to Viper, the Viper.
Nothing's going to fall off the airplane this time. But he is going to do something even more unique than that. He's going to take this aircraft and he's going to land it on top of a moving vehicle.